What's going on? Currently on a road trip. Not sure if I'm even visible in the car. We're on our way up to Kingsburg, California. It's up by Fresno. It's just a couple hours away, I think. Who all went here? This is a gang of Gasratz, or is it a cackle of Gasratz? It could potentially be a murder of Gasratz, but either way, there's 6 or 8 cars, maybe more. Joey Chevelle is behind me with Alice Chevelle driving the C10, and in front is, well, it's a bunch of people. Also, to get there on time for check-in at this event, we had to leave at 4 a.m. That's 4 o'clock in the morning for people. Pro tip, if you're driving at earlier than 4 a.m., get on the freeway, be aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye out for the unhoused and the unwashed. They're just walking across the street like it doesn't matter. That's all. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, looks like we just got off the freeway, interstate actually, and we're in beautiful Kingsburg, California, which is just south of Fresno, as far as I can tell. And now we're trying to figure out where the main entrance is. We're all signed up, registered online. We just have to figure out where the get in is. It's gotta be right down here. There's a bunch of people following. That's Twin Turbo Jason. That is John McGann. That is Joey Chevelle. Who else is back there? There's a bunch of people. Man, it looks like they go all out here. They have easy ups everywhere. I don't know what they're doing. Trying to find the entrance. We do have the inside over here. Anda and Amanda live out in this area, and they're the ones that invited us to this event. So I'm pretty sure someone is just texting or calling them right now to get the entrance procedure. We should do an intersection takeover. I guess we kind of just did in slow motion. All right, intersection takeover. Steering radius check. Brian Gage. That was Matt and Joy. 66. Overly shiny, in my opinion. Dippin' Dots. Spicy Birds. Senior Beef. what's going on here. We're lost. Okay, be right back. Runs at 295.50 all the way around. I don't see a blower on you guys' cars. Are you okay? There's no boost over here?
It's all man. You lost?
What's happening?
Are you lost?
Wait, hold on. I need a model. What's up, Clee?
Hey, Lucky.
Track official, is it okay if I do a burnout later?
Yeah, I don't care.
He said it's okay. Did you have pancakes yet? I'm going over there right now. Track official told me I can do burnouts if I want.
Oh. Nice. That's all you need to hear.
Well, that's a wrap on an amazing couple days, really, hanging out in Kingsburg, California. Beautiful Kingsburg, California. Yeah, awesome car show, awesome host. Everybody over there was so nice, so kind. The food was great. The company was great. It was just a good time to be had by everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And next year, Kingsburg, I promise you, I will be there 2 days next year. We're going to go on Friday because they have a cruise Friday night and a car show on Saturday during the day. We went for Saturday this year. That was a mistake. Should have went there for Friday and Saturday. We'll see you guys next year. Thanks a lot to the Gasratz, too. See ya.